In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Monday.com API key. This is really useful if you're connecting Monday.com to other tools, building automations, or working with custom integrations. I'll walk you through the process step by step so you can follow along on your own screen. First, make sure you're logged in to your Monday.com account in your web browser. Once you're on your main Monday.com workspace, look up to the top right corner of the page. You'll see your profile picture or avatar there. Go ahead and click on that avatar to open the account menu. When the drop-down menu appears, look for the option labeled Developers. This is where Monday.com keeps all the tools and settings related to their API and integrations. Click on Developers, and it will open the Monday.com Developer Center in a new view or tab, depending on your browser settings. Inside the Developer Center, you'll see a navigation menu on the left-hand side of the screen. Take a moment to scan that menu and then click on the option called API Token. This is the section dedicated to your personal API credentials. Once you're on the API Token page, you'll see a field that contains your personal API token, but for security reasons, it will be hidden by default. Right next to it, there should be a blue Show button. Click Show to reveal your API token. Remember that this token gives access to your Monday.com data through the API, so treat it like a password and don't share it publicly or paste it into screenshots or demos. After the token is visible, you'll also see an option to copy it. Click the Copy button to copy your API token to your clipboard. From here, you can paste it into your integration settings, your application's configuration, or wherever your tool is asking for your Monday.com API key. When you're done using it, it's a good idea to store this token securely, for example, in a password manager or a secure environment variable, rather than leaving it in plain text documents. And that's all there is to it. You've logged in, opened the Developers section, navigated to the API token page, revealed your token, and copied it for use in your integrations.